Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are about to implement Facebook rewarded ad in our Compose project. So this is what we are about to implement. This is a top app bar. Nothing happens here. This is two tool, sorry, two button here. One is to load our ad, another is to show our ad. When you click on load our ad, after the ad is loaded, we get a toast message notifying the ad is loaded. And again, when we click on show reward ad, and the ad is displayed on the screen here. So this is it. And if you find this video helpful, do hit that like button, and if you find unrelated content useful, do subscribe to our channel. And let's me show you the codes. Okay, and to implement Facebook rewarded ad, we need Facebook SDK dependency, and here is the dependency I have added, and the version I have used is 6.17.0. After adding dependency in our version catalog file, we also have to mention that in our app level build.gradle file here, and this is I have added it here. And after this, we need some permissions. So this is the permission I have. This is the permission I have added. This is the internet permission for internet, and this is the ad ID for when we publish our app. We do need this permission. And this is also some optimization. You can add this in your application or as well as in your activity here. So this is it for main Android manifest. Now going to main activity. Here's the main activity, and here this is a class I have created. This is Android reward ad class, and this takes activity as parameter. As soon as this class gets initiated, this block also get executed, this init block. And here I have initialized the SDK, and this line add setting dot set test mode to true. What this does is in your developing phase you get test ad. Without this, you will get an error of no fill request, like means that you will not receive any ad from Facebook. Okay, so this is a variable where we store our ad. And after this, I have two function here. One is to load reward ad, another is to show reward ad. And when we call show load reward ad, we take activity as parameter, and then we check if the reward ad is not null or it's not loaded. Then what we do is we initialize this reward ad here inside this variable, and we pass this context from here, and as well as this ad ID here. And I have taken this from the string file, and after that I just call this load ad. So this request ads from the Facebook network, and this is a ad config with ad listener. To add listener to this ad, we need to pass this line here, and after this we get all this overrides here. If there is some error, I have added this toast message to display on a screen that ad load failed, and set this reward to null. And if the ad is loaded, I just show a toast message, the ad is loaded. And this on reward video completed is called when the user watches the full ad. If in between it gets closed, or the user doesn't see the full ad, this function will not be called. So use this function here to reward your ads. On viewing reward ads, you can add here to reward your ads. If the user closes without viewing your full ad, so then this function will not be called, but this function will be called. So always use this portion to reward your ads. And after this we call the build function here to build this listener. This build is called. Okay, after this is done, we load our ad, and this show function is called. And here is a checker. We check that if the reward is not null or reward ad is loaded, then we show our ad. this is it for this class, this Facebook reward ad class. Here I have initialized in our remember function here, and this is a toolbar. And here there's a two button I showed you earlier. This two button here on the load reward ad. On click of it, we call reward ad dot load reward ad function and pass this as we are in main activity, so we can use this as our to pass context, or else in compose you can use local context dot current. And here on show if user clicks on show reward ad, we call this function reward ad dot show reward ad. So this is how it is done. And yes, let me show you again. If we yes, when you click on load reward ad, we get a toast message here, and that is loaded. When you click on show reward ad, and here we get a reward ad. So this is it, friends. If you find this video useful, do hit that like button, and for content like this, do subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries regarding this video or Facebook ads, you can comment down below and I will try to help you with that. Thank you.